Alright, yo. That shit was amazing. I do have a tear running down my face, vlog. Oh, man, this show got me through so much, bro. Most definitely got me. I started watching in depression. I was 17 years old when I started watching this show. I'm 24 years old. Bro, wanna be in my vlog? Just say what's up. Oh no, it's cool. It's not good. Bro. Yeah, with the light and stuff. Oh man, yo. That shit was amazing. Wow. Wow. I'm opening up my New Year's. Bro. I'm so grateful for great cinema. Yo, I love, what an experience, man. Popcorn, drink. Man. That was great. That was great. W series, Duffer Brothers. Love y'all, man. Know the whole, everybody going over there. It's a blessing to be an extra in this. And I would really love a spinoff. I would really love a spinoff about one. Because I think we should get more into the high school. Like, I really want to go back. Let's keep going back and let's go into high school and learn about one. So yeah, y'all. Love y'all. That was great. I had to get my immediate reaction, so yeah.